Good morning everyone. So basically today in this video we are discuss about the parts of the nervous system. Let's start. So in these P and S. Now the CNS full form is Central Nervous System and PNS means Peripheral Nervous System. So the CNS include two things, brain and spinal cord. Now the question is what is brain and what is spinal cord. Let's discuss about the brain. So this is our brain and here it is a spinal cord. Now brain is boss of our body. That means it control all the activities of our body even in the resting condition or in the sleeping state also. Like brain no function 24 hours चालू ज रहसे. Now basically brain has three major parts, the cerebrum, the cerebellum and the brainstem. So in this diagram, this is cerebrum. This is cerebellum which is purple color and the yellow color part that is brainstem. Brainstem has again three parts, that is brain bones and medulla oblongata. That we discuss later. Now the brain has three parts also. The forebrain, the midbrain and the hindbrain. So this is about the forebrain. Okay, and it consists cerebrum, thalamus and hypothalamus. Second is midbrain and hindbrain. That combination is known as the brainstem. So these are basic three parts of the brain. So you might be clear about now what is brain. Second is CNS also includes spinal cord. So what is spinal cord? Spinal cord, it is a column of nerves between the brain and peripheral nervous system. એટલે કે spinal cord connect કરે છે peripheral nervous system ને and the brain ને. So it is the column between the brain and the peripheral nervous system. So this is our spinal cord. Now we discuss about the PNS, that is peripheral nervous system. So basically peripheral nervous system has divided into two things, sensory and motor. Sensory means કે sensation લઈ જશે brain અને spinal cord સુધી અને motor means કે એમાંથી જે signal મળશે એને ફરીથી muscle સુધી પહોંચાડવાનું કામ કરશે, that is motor એટલે કે efferent. Now motor has two parts, SNS and ANS. SNS means somatic nervous system and ANS means autonomic nervous system. Okay, so next is what is somatic nervous system. So basically somatic nervous system, it is made up of 12 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pairs of spinal nerves. So the cranial nerves and the spinal nerves are the part of peripheral nervous system. This is very much important questions. The cranial nerves and the spinal nerves are the part of which system, CNS or PNS? So the answer is PNS. Here it is the 31 pairs of the spinal nerves. Calculate this, C8, T12, 20, L5, 25, S5, 30 and C1. Like 31. So total 31 pairs of the spinal nerves which are the parts of the peripheral nervous system. The next here it is the 12 pairs of cranial nerves which is also the part of the peripheral nervous system. So the 12 pairs of the cranial nerves, olfactory, optic, oculomotor, trochlear, trigeminal, abducens, facial, vestibulocochlear, glossopharyngeal, hypoglossal, vagus, accessory. So these all are the cranial nerves, 12 pairs of cranial nerves which is also including peripheral nervous system. Next is what is ANS and ANS na પણ further two parts છે. So ANS means autonomic nervous system. It regulates the involuntary movements and SNS means it control voluntary movements. Okay, તો આપણે જોયું અહીંયા કે આપણે डिविजन्स में जो कि एसएनएस एंड एएनएस. तो एसएनएस कंट्रोल करसे वॉलंटरी मूवमेंट्स, एएनएस कंट्रोल करसे इनवॉलंटरी मूवमेंट्स. અને એએનએસ जो છે इट फर्दर डिवाइडेड इनटू टू सिम्पैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक. नाउ What is sympathetic and what is parasympathetic? So parasympathetic means it calms the body and help to conserve the energy. Like a resting condition માં work કરશે parasympathetic. And sympathetic means it work in fight or flight mechanism. એટલે કે excessive stress or emotional condition માં work કરશે sympathetic nervous system. See in this diagram, here the central nervous system which include the brain and spinal cord, and નીચે purple color માં છે peripheral nervous system which include parasympathetic and sympathetic. Okay. So parasympathetic, that is rest and digest, and sympathetic work in fight or flight mechanism. તો આપણે આજે આ વિડીયોમાં શું શીખ્યા? That is about central nervous system and peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system consists brain and spinal cord. It controlled are responsible for the sensory activity, storing memory and emotions. Second is peripheral nervous system, which consists cranial nerves and spinal nerves. Cranial nerves total kitli 12 pairs and a spinal nerve 31. Brings messages to and from the CNS to the rest of the body. Now PNS again divided into two, SNS and ANS. SNS means somatic nervous system, which is responsible for voluntary movements, and autonomic nervous system, which is responsible for involuntary movements. Now autonomic again divided into two, sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic is responsible for flight or flight response, and parasympathetic is responsible for relaxation or work in the resting condition. So this is about the today's video. Thank you so much for watching.